Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have Google Authenticator. Now open it and locate the account entry you need. Once done, make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic time. This prevents code mismatches. Tap the account to view the 6-digit code. Note that codes refresh every 30 seconds, so copy or type it quickly. If you see multiple similar entries, match the account name or email. This first step gets you an active code ready for the next verification screen. You now take the visible 6-digit code from the app and switch to the website or app requesting verification. Enter the numbers exactly as shown, no spaces, and submit promptly because codes expire quickly. If the code rejects, wait for the next 30-second refresh and try again. This is normal. Also, make sure you're using the code for the correct account when multiple accounts appear. These steps complete the usual verification exchange between your phone and the service. Once the code is accepted, confirm your login and consider saving backup codes or enabling an extra recovery method. If codes repeatedly fail, make sure your phone's time is set to network automatic and resync Google Authenticator. On Android, use the app's time correction feature. On iPhone, check system time settings. If problems persist, reinstall the app only after you have backup codes or use the service's account recovery flow. One key tip: always keep at least one offline backup code in a secure place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.